Hello everyone, I am DJ Mustang and today we're going to solve this TryHackMe machine. Machine name is Insekube. It is basically, Kubernetes are deployed on this machine and we have to, exploit the Kubernetes by leveraging the Grafana vulnerability. It is based on all the Kubernetes concept. So if you want to know more about the Kubernetes concept, then you can check out my old video that is in the playlist of Hack the Box. The similar kind of box was introduced by TryHackMe. The box name was the Steam Cloud. So you can check out my old video to know the more concepts of Kubernetes. So coming back to the TryHackMe this box. uh, we'll start with the questions, and before that I would like to explain the architecture diagram of this box. So I have created this for your better understanding. So here we are at the attacker side. We are connected to the VPN to the Insekube box. So we'll connect to this box and then we have to compromise this box. Once we compromise this box, we'll get the access to the internal nodes and the pods. That is, one is Grafana and Syringe. So that's how we'll get the access from here. So whatever attack we're going to perform, we have to perform from here because it is not accessible directly to our Kali machine. So it's all about the box and the architecture diagram. So we'll start with the enumeration. So first question, what they have asked is what ports are open. So we'll start with the enumeration and map. Definitely open ports we're going to check. So we got the result in few seconds. Like 22 and 80 is the port number. So we have already answered. Then we'll move forward. The next question is they're expecting a flag and what they're saying, visit the website. So we're going to copy this thing, we'll close this thing, http and the IP address. So host name, what they're saying is host and returns the output of the ping command. So whatever address you enter, it will ping that address no matter what it is. Okay, will ping the same website. Okay, localhost. Okay, so it is localhost and check. So it is performing the ping to the localhost. So for the what they're saying over here is you have to perform the command injection. To perform the command injection, we'll use a pipe sign and we'll say ID. So ID is basically working over here. So we'll put reverse shell over here to get the reverse shell on our box. So we'll clear this thing and start listener on the Kali machine. So we'll say yes, check, and we got the shell. Who am I challenge? And okay, so we got the shell. Now what they're saying is you will find the flag in the environmental variable. To access the environmental variable, just say env. And yeah, we got the flag over here. So we'll submit this flag. That is a format, I guess. Okay, this is a flag and then curly braces. So that is correct. Okay, oh, it's a correct answer. Then what next? Interacting with the Kubernetes. So let's see what is the question. Okay, no answer needed. So we'll move forward. Okay, we'll say complete. Okay, so finally we got the file on the limited shell. This is kubectl. We'll change the permission to the 777 ctl, and we are good to go, I guess. Now yeah, we are good to go for the next question. What they're saying is, okay, now we have to submit a second flag, and what they're saying is Kubernetes stores a secret value in resources called secret. These then get mounted into the pods either as an environmental variable or files. To access this secret, we're going to use this command, uh, kubectl get secrets. Okay, so now we got the secret flag is over here. Now we have to read this file. Okay, so we directly copy this thing and paste it over here to. Okay, it is not going to work. First we have to use dot and slash, and here we go. So we have, you know read this. So we got the file, and here is a flag, and but flag is not in readable format, because as they are saying, it is in the base64 format. I mean base64 encoded. So we're going to decrypt this value. We'll copy this whole thing, and definitely copy this thing, and we're going to decrypt it using base 64. So just say echo, yes, value, and then base 64 and D for decode. So here we got the second flag. It's copy and then paste. Now it's a correct answer. Yep. So recon, next question is recon in cluster. So what they are saying is, what is the version of Grafana running on the machine? So this is the I mean, you just have to access the Grafana Grafana pot or Grafana node by from this Insekube box. So we're going to use the CURL for the same, but before that, what is the IP address of Grafana? We have no idea. So for that, we'll again type in environmental variable. We'll copy the Grafana IP address. It's 10.105.120.1. We'll copy this thing and we'll paste it on the mouse pad. It will be better for us. HTTP and 10.105.120.13000, and as they are saying, you have to add login also, login path, to access the Grafana version. Okay, so we're going to access this thing. Okay, sorry, copy, and we'll go to the limited shell. Yeah, we are on the limited shell. So CURL and the Grafana IP address and the port number. So it's very big, I guess. We're going to use a simple grep command to simplify. Okay, now we have to separate these thing. Now we'll use the CURL and this thing, then grep version. Okay, now we're good to go. Okay, now we are good. Okay, we got the version that is 8.3.0. so we'll quickly note down this thing, and we'll basically copy this thing and paste it in the answer field. That is correct. Okay, what is the version of Grafana running on the machine? That is 8.3.0 beta 2. And what CV you have found? So we have no idea what CV belongs to this version. We'll go to the Google and we'll ask Google what is the CV of this particular version, and the CVE. Okay, so what is the directory traversal? And we have an exploit over here. So it is a Python exploit which is available on the exploit DB, and we can download this exploit and move it to the limited shell or the Insekube box, and then we can run that thing on the box. But we have no idea whether Python is there or not on this machine. Um, which Python, because then it will be very difficult to run Python. We have to install the Python on this box, and then we have to run this exploit. So better uh, will use this exploit, or will make our own script manually by this, with the help of this exploit. So we are here. This is our you know uh, IP address of the Grafana. Then we're going to attach this public and the plugins. Then okay, good. Then what? They'll choice plugin list. So where is the plugin list? This is the plugin list. We're going to take this first one. It's a alert list. Then we'll append this directory listing. Copy. Okay. Then etc pass wd. Okay. So our script is ready. We're going to run the script on our limited shell or Insekube box, curl, and the our script. Something wrong with our exploit. So we need to read as it is. So we'll say uh, as. So I don't remember the curl command. We'll Google it out. curl as it is command, path as it is. Okay, I guess this is the command. It is okay, path as is. So we'll copy this thing, and we'll add this switch. So it will take the whole path as it is, and it will not going to squeeze it, because if it squeeze the thing, will not get the desired result. And here we go, we got the etc password file. Now what we are looking for is, quickly close this thing. Okay, so we have manually created the exploit. So what is a CV you have found? So CV which we have found is, it is there, I guess. Where is the CV? Okay, it is it right? Okay, I guess it is a 2021, maybe. We'll check whether it is correct or not. It's an incorrect answer. No, I have no idea what is a CV 2021 CVE. This is the first one, but we are on the correct path, because we got LFI on the Grafana. So okay, is it like this? Okay, that's the correct answer. I guess CV was not present. Okay, so we'll move forward. Now we have to do the lateral movement, and what they are saying. Okay, so cluster admin and token. Okay, what is the name of the service account running the Grafana service? So we have no idea what is the name of this service account. So for that we'll check the hints. So first, okay, so we have to look for the token, and so token is situated at this address. So we'll modify our script once again. So at the place of etc password, we're going to copy this thing and paste it. Okay, let's copy and paste. Okay, that was correct, I guess. So we're going to copy this thing and paste it on the limited shell, and we got the token. It is starting from here till here. So we are copying this thing entire string. Now okay, now we'll export this whole token into the one variable, export key, and directly it will be a key. Now I guess it is stored. Yes, now it is stored. So if we say echo key, then we'll get the result. Okay, so now we have stored the entire string into the key variable. Now we can use that key variable anywhere in the box. So the next question which we have is, okay, so okay, we're going to check this pods. Kubelet gets pod. We're going to check the pods now. So directly use this kubelet and get pods and token, and we have a token that is stored inside the key. Wow, so we got pods. These are the deployed on the Insekube box. So, and these are the internally connected. So we are able to see the uh, you know um, these pods because of uh, the token. So it is there. Next we'll directly go to the you know uh, question. What is the name of the service account running on the Grafana service? So we're going to check that thing on the basis of this. This is basically the JWT token. So we're going to decrypt this token by jwt.io. Okay, this is the website where you can decrypt the whole token and check the values, uh, going through the token. So we'll delete this thing, we'll paste it, and here we go. So service account name is developer. So we'll copy this thing and paste it. Okay, then how many pods are running? So we know how many pods are running. These are the 2 pods are running on the Kubernetes. That's a correct answer. What is a flag 3 and where is a flag 3 first of all? So use kubelet exe kubectl exe to get the shell in the Grafana pod. You will find the flag 3. So now we have to take shell of this Grafana, and to execute this Grafana shell we need authentication, which we have already stored in the key uh, key variable. So we're going to edit this thing, or we're going to modify some names over here. The Grafana 57 something, and it is not correct, I guess. It is totally different. So we're going to replace that thing. kubectl exec it Grafana dot dot dot, and then okay, we have a token that is key. So, and the bin bash. We'll copy this thing and paste it. Now we'll get the shell of the pod. Definitely the pod name is Grafana. Who am I? That is Grafana. And here is the third flag. Yes, we got the third flag over here in the environmental variable. So okay, that is a third flag. Correct.